Alright, testing a MOSFET. Alright, I have the MOSFET hooked up. That's IRF 540. The left pin is the gate, middle pin is the drain, right pin is the source. So I have the negative going into, oh, I'm sorry, the red positive going into the middle pin, which is the drain, and then that is going into, let's see, the power or the battery. Here's the battery. The battery's going into the LED. Now I've already set this MOSFET to be on. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now that's going to the LED, and then the other pin of the LED goes into the source. And you can reverse the red and black and the LED, and you'll still get the same result. Now what I'm going to do, hopefully I can do this with one hand, is turn this off by touching the drain and the gate at the same time. And that'll discharge. Let's see if this works with these gloves on. Nope. Or I can do a reverse signal. With this other battery, second battery. Against the drain and the gate. Turn that off. Let's see, I don't know if I'm going to get this. Okay, I got the correct polarity. There we go. So that was putting positive, the red, on the drain, and the black, the negative, on the source. That turns it off. Turn it back on again. I'll reverse those and put this black onto touch that. Oh, actually, I'm thinking I got a breadboard. Stick that black in there, and I should be able to touch the side of this, and that turns it back on. That means I have a working MOSFET.